What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna answer one of the most requested tutorials for the PS5. How the hell do you use the web browser on your PlayStation 5 console? Now, despite the fact that I already have several tutorials on this topic, I wanted to cover it again because a lot of people still have trouble accessing the web browser on their PS5. And this could be because either you don't even know if there's a web browser on your console, or because you've tried different methods and only encountered errors. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a one-stop solution to instantly access Google on the PS5, which will then allow you to browse in full screen. But make sure to watch till the end as I'll reveal the full screen browsing mode trick at the end of the video. With that said, let's jump straight in and get started. Now what you see on the screen right now is not the web browser itself. It's actually a group chat created to make things simpler. If I click on it, you'll see that it works just like a party chat that you can start with a friend by going to Gamebase and sending them a message. I did the exact same thing, except I created a group, uploaded a picture of Google Chrome as the display image, and then removed my friends from the group. This allows me to use this chat as a browser because if you look closely, any URL that you type in this chat automatically becomes a hyperlink. Here I've typed in google.ca since I'm in Canada. For some reason .com doesn't work for me, but if you're in the US, .com should work fine. If you're in India, you could try .in and so on. So basically, just typing the URL of Google in the chat should instantly give you access to Google, and from there you can use it to access pretty much any other website you want. Now, a lot of people are seeing an error that says URL removed by PlayStation safety, and the reason for this is that even though all URLs typed in the chat should automatically turn into hyperlinks, they are still regulated by Sony, but only within the chat itself. And this means that if you use Google to access a website that is blocked by PlayStation safety in the chat, you should have no problem visiting it as long as you're using Google's URL. As you can see, other popular websites like Discord and even 9anime are still accessible, but some websites are just blocked by PlayStation safety. So if you see the URL removed by PlayStation safety error, just use Google's URL to navigate to the website you want. I hope this helps you to access web browsing on your PS5. If you want a detailed step-by-step video, I'll leave a link in the description of a tutorial that I created. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.